Welcome to the Interdisciplinary Center for Healthy Workplaces channel. In this tutorial, we will go over the main components of our online interactive assessment tool and how organizations can identify the best wellness programs using this tool. Let's start from the tool's homepage. Here you can read a brief introduction to the assessment guide tool. On the right side, there is a downloadable document of the Finding Fit Employer Guide, which is the basis for this tool. Situated at the top of the page is a progress bar, which will indicate how much you have completed as you go through the assessment. Click Next to proceed to the next page. Here we are at the dashboard. On this page, you can read about 8 types of wellness programs that an organization can implement and that are assessed in this tool. Click Get Started to start the assessment. This tool is divided into 3 components: facilitators, critical barriers, and non-critical barriers. Here you start by answering questions about wellness program facilitators, which are characteristics that support the success of wellness programs. Facilitators are further divided into employee, leadership, and organization categories. For example, a facilitator at the employee level is that employees perceive the need for taking time for wellness. A facilitator at the leadership level is that the organization's leadership encourages employees to participate in wellness activities. Finally, an example of an organization-level facilitator is that the cost for the employee to participate in a wellness program is subsidized by the organization. Read the statements carefully. Answer yes, no, or not applicable according to your organization's present situation. If a statement describes your organization currently or could describe your organization in the near future, check yes. If a statement does not describe your organization, check no. If a statement does not apply to your organization, check not applicable. Answers displayed in the video are chosen randomly for the purpose of this tutorial. On the right side of the screen, you can see the results generated from your answers. The green bar indicates a positive percentage and represents the level of fit the program has with your organization. Notice that you cannot proceed to the next page without checking all the boxes first. The second big component is critical barriers, which are characteristics that prevent or undermine the success of wellness programs. For example, does the organization lack the financial resources to support wellness programs? Again, describe your organization by answering the questions. The red bar indicates a negative percentage and represents the level of difficulty to implement each program based on your answers. Notice how the green and red bars change based on your answers. Once you finish answering all the questions, click Next. The third component is non-critical barriers that could hinder the success of wellness programs, but not necessarily prevent a functional wellness program from happening. For instance, do bureaucracy or logistical issues prevent or discourage activities from being scheduled or communicated in a timely manner? Answer all questions before you click Next. And you made it through! Congratulations on completing the assessment of wellness programs for your organization. After having answered all the questions in the tool, a summary of how well each type of wellness program fits with your organization will be displayed, and the wellness program type or types with the best fit will be identified. This guide points to some specific programs that could work in your organization. However, please consider how you can overcome barriers to implement other programs listed here. Learn more about the facilitators and barriers in the Healthy Workplaces Finding Fit Employer Guide. We hope this tutorial is helpful. Let us know if you have any suggestions, thoughts, or questions.